Dead bugs stuck to your car can be more than just an annoyance. They can damage your paint and become harder to remove over time. Thankfully, here are some methods to remove dead bugs from your car. To make removal easier and safer, spray the affected areas with vinegar and water solution. Gently scrub the area using a bug sponge or a soft foam pad. Use small circular motions and light pressure to lift the bugs off the surface without damaging the paint. A bug sponge safely removes bug splatter with its textured mesh, effectively lifting dried bugs without harming paint, glass, or chrome. Viking Mesh Bug Sponge is designed to remove tough bug splatter, tree sap, and road grime without scratching your car's surface. Its soft sponge core and mesh cover work together to gently lift debris from paint, glass, and chrome, making cleaning easier and safer. After removing the dead bugs, it's a good idea to wash the entire car to get rid of any leftover residue or cleaner. Use a high-quality car shampoo and a soft wash mitt to gently clean all surfaces. This not only ensures a spotless finish, but also helps maintain your car's paint over time. Bug removers dissolve stubborn splatter, protect your car's paint, and make cleaning easier without scratching surfaces. 3D Bug Remover is a highly effective solution designed to safely eliminate bug splatter, tree sap, and bird droppings from your car's exterior without damaging the paint. Its powerful, enzyme-based formula breaks down stubborn residues quickly, making the cleaning process easier and less abrasive. Regular use of 3D Bug Remover helps maintain your car's finish, prevents etching from acidic bug remains, and keeps your vehicle looking clean and polished. Dryer sheets gently loosen bug residue without scratching, making them a safe and easy option for cleaning car surfaces. Bounce dryer sheets are a popular choice for removing bugs from cars because they effectively loosen dried bug splatter without scratching the paint. When dampened, their soft texture and anti-static properties help lift residue easily, making them safe for use on paint, glass, and chrome. Here are some extra tips for removing dead bugs from your car. Remove bugs from your car quickly, as leaving them too long can stain or damage the paint. Avoid scrubbing too hard when removing bugs, as too much pressure can scratch the paint or damage the clear coat. If bugs are still stuck, apply bug remover again and let it sit longer. This makes cleanup easier without harming the paint. By removing dead bugs quickly and safely, you can protect your car's paint, keep it looking clean, and make future cleanups easier.